Good morning, this is Mark Jaynes with Rapid Mortgage. One of the questions that we get from consumers and realtors very often is, does the client need to put 20% down to get a home loan in this market? The good news is absolutely not. 20% is the kind of dream scenario. If you have the money, great. It gets you out of mortgage insurance and some other things. But Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, even a couple of years ago, have dropped the minimum requirement for down payment down to 3% if you're a first-time home buyer, or 5% if you're moving up and buying a second property. So the 20% is something that absolutely is not necessary. Many times we actually talk to clients and tell them to only put down 10% instead of 20, because a lot of times there's other stuff they have to buy: furniture, lawnmowers, they want to fix up the house. We'd rather have them with extra reserves and the ability to get the house the way they want it versus really struggling to get to that 20% number. The other thing that we don't want them doing is waiting a year to save up the extra 10% in order to buy a home. They could miss out on the fantastic rates that we have going on in the market. And really the payment differential on a $200,000 house to put 10% down instead of 20 is only about $100 a month. So it's not as significant an impact as people may think. So if you've got 3% to put down, 620 plus credit score, the good news is you can buy a home, even though that's not necessarily what's out there in the news. So don't wait. If you think you're close to that, if you have interest in buying a home this year, please reach out and start the process. We'd love to help you buy your first home.